Hi, and welcome to the video on median and range. By the end of this video, you should be able to find the median and the range from a set of data. So let's take a look at what the median is. The median, which sounds like the word medium, is the middle score when all the scores are put in order. Let's take, for example, 5 heights of people. It might be easy to see which one is the middle score because they are ordered from smallest to biggest, and there's only 5 of them, so we can see that the median for this set of data would be 170 centimeters. The good thing about the median, unlike the mean, is that it doesn't take into account the largest or the smallest, or even the second largest and the second smallest. It only looks at the middle set of the data. It's really good when you have what's called outliers, which are really, really big scores or really, really little scores that would affect the mean. So what if it was a little bit harder? Not too much, but just a little bit harder. Here we have 8 scores, or 8 heights of people, and we want to find the median. Now you might be able to put your finger on your screen and see exactly where the median is, but if you didn't and there was a large set of data, here's a good way of doing it. It's called the cross-off method. What you do is you cross off the smallest and the biggest of your set of data until you come to the middle 1 or 2. In this case, we've got 2 sets of data to finish off with, 160 and 170. And we want to find the median. Now the median is just one number, that is the middle score, so it can't be both of them. So here's what we do. We ignore all the other scores and we just look at our 2 middle scores. And what we want to do is find the number that is in between those two. That is our median. Now you might be able to see between 160 and 170, our median would be 165. If you couldn't see that, another way you could do it with your calculator is to add up both of the scores and divide by 2. This will find the average or the mean of your 2 scores. So you would add up the 160 and the 170 and then divide by 2. That gives you an answer of 165 centimeters, which is our median or our middle score. The range describes the spread of our scores, how spread out our data is. It's found by taking the lowest score away from the highest score. So let's look at our set of data again with our heights of people. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the highest score and minus the lowest score. This will give us a range of data. So the range for this set of data is going to be 180 take away 150, the highest minus the lowest, which in this case is 30. This tells us that our range, or the spread of our scores, ranges over 30 different numbers. I'd like you to pause and summarize this information. I've highlighted the important words that go together. It's important to remember that median and middle go together, and range is our highest minus our lowest, because you're going to be asked how to do these particular things all on one set of data. And that's it. Hopefully you know how to find the median and the range, and with the help of the other video you also know how to find the mean and the mode. Good luck on your work tomorrow.